Welcome back to Tech Goods. If you're a designer, marketer, or content creator tired of scrolling through low-quality stock files or dealing with confusing licenses, then you're going to love this. Today we're talking about Depositphotos, a powerful royalty-free content platform built to streamline your creative workflow. Depositphotos gives you access to over 310 million royalty-free assets, including high-resolution photos, videos, vectors, illustrations, and even music. Whether you're creating content for websites, social media, or advertising, you'll find exactly what you need, quickly and legally. One of the standout features is their AI image generator. Just type a description and Depositphotos will create unique, commercially safe visuals tailored to your needs. It's a game changer for anyone looking to produce custom content without hiring a designer. You'll also get access to free AI-powered tools like background removal, image upscaling, and reverse image search. These features make it easy to polish your visuals and find the perfect match for your creative ideas. Looking for inspiration? Depositphotos has 600+ curated collections and lets you follow your favorite creators to keep up with their latest uploads. Plus, with over 5 million new files added monthly, the library is always growing. Everything is GDPR-compliant, API-ready, and super easy to use. If you've tried other platforms like Shutterstock, Depositphotos is a powerful alternative that delivers serious value. So, if you're ready to upgrade your content game, check out Depositphotos and stock up on stunning visuals. You'll find the best deal linked in the description below. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe to Tech Goods, and tap that bell icon so you don't miss out on more awesome tools and reviews. See you in the next video.